I got a £1/4 right here. I got a mac chicken right here. I have the large fries. And then guess what? I have it. Wow. Wow, guys. I'm gonna have a good time, guys. Look. Whoa. £1/4, baby. £1/4. Wow. 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 Woo. Wow. I love it. Wow. It comes with pickle, onion, man, a £1/4 meat. Wow. Wow. It comes with ketchup. Yes, ketchup. Wow, guys. I love it. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I love it. Wow. Guys, I love it, guys. Whoa. I did some mustard. It's almost some mustard. Wow. Come with some mustard. Wow. Guys. Wow. I love it. I need some drink with it. I need some drink with it. You know what? I need some water with it. Give me 1 second.